Peacemaker was doing really well all season, but the season finale was absolutely terrible. So
Man,
it was really, really bad. Like, I was so shocked at how bad the season finale was. It was really terrible. I don't know what James Gunn was doing when he made that season finale. And I don't think there's going to be a season 3 of Peacemaker. I think that his plan is to just, like, integrate Peacemaker into the larger DCU. And then there's going to be, like, another spinoff show that happens. But yeah, that was not a good... If there's not going to be any more Peacemaker, that was a terrible way to go out on Peacemaker. It was so bad. Just think of a season finale of your favorite show, right? Think of your favorite show and a season finale. And instead of telling a story, there's, like, 5 montages in the season that speeds through, like, points of the story that should have been developed. Would that not make you... There was literally 5 montages in that episode of different things. And I'm just like, so we're not going to tell a story here? We're just going to...
So it's basically Promise Neverland.
Yes, basically. Yep. That's basically... They promised Neverland, Peacemaker,